In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate the holidays calendar in Google Calendar. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Once the page loads, give yourself a moment to get oriented with the layout. Google Calendar is organized with your main calendar view in the center and a navigation panel on the left-hand side where different calendar lists and options are displayed. After you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is the panel that contains your calendar navigation and the list of calendars connected to your account. Depending on your screen size or browser window, this sidebar may already be fully visible, or it may appear slightly compressed. If needed, just make sure the left side of the calendar interface is visible so you can clearly see the different sections. Now look below the area where your primary calendar listings appear. In that section, you'll find a category called Other Calendars. This is where Google Calendar places additional calendars that are separate from your main personal calendar, such as special event calendars, shared calendars, and region-based calendars. Within the Other Calendars list, locate the entry labeled Holidays in your country. The exact country name shown here will depend on your calendar settings and regional preferences, so it may vary from one user to another. What matters is that you identify the Holidays calendar entry listed in that section. Take a moment to visually confirm that you found the correct item in the sidebar. It should appear as a calendar label, typically alongside a colored indicator box or icon, matching the way Google Calendar displays other calendar categories. This helps confirm that you're looking at a calendar subscription rather than a general setting or menu option. If you don't immediately see it, try scanning carefully through the Other Calendars section, since the list can include several items and may be easy to overlook at first glance. On some accounts, the sidebar sections may also be collapsed, so expanding the view of the left panel can make it easier to find the holidays entry. Once you've located holidays in your country, you've successfully completed the process. You now know exactly where to find the holiday calendar in Google Calendar using Chrome. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.